Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to make eye-catching B-roll clips for your Reels and TikTok? I'll show you how. Click Create to get started. In the search bar, type TikTok and press Enter. From the search results, select the TikTok video template. This will open the editor where you can begin customizing your video project. Next, select the Templates option. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your project needs. Click on your selected template to apply it instantly. This will help you quickly get started and ensure your project has a consistent professional look and feel. There are many templates available in this section, offering a wide range of options for your project. You'll also notice that some templates feature beautiful design elements and layouts. Explore through the selection to find one that fits your needs. Customizing a template is easy, just select your favorite and begin editing right away. Select this option to continue. First, select the file you want to play by clicking on it. Then, press the play button to start playback. This allows you to preview the file before making any edits or adjustments in the software. To add text, drag the text element onto your canvas. To create a copy, select the text element and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Then, click on the duplicated text and edit it to your desired content. Repeat these steps to add and customize more text as needed. Drag the edge of the clip in your timeline to adjust its length. Position your cursor at the end of the clip until you see the resize icon. Then click and drag left or right to shorten or extend the clip as needed. After you finish editing your video, go to the upper right corner and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, select Download. The download process will begin, and your video will be saved to your device. Make sure the editing is complete before downloading to ensure the final version is saved. That's how you download your finished video. Click the download button, then select MP4 video to save your project as a video file. You can now use this video for your Reels, upload it to TikTok, or share it on Facebook. This makes it easy to share your creations across platforms. You just learned how to make eye-catching B-roll for Reels and TikTok using Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.